Today we got you guys a 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71 lifted. Got less than 500 miles on it. We took off the stock muffler, left everything else stock. There's the catalytic converters. There's a third converter, comes with a flex pipe. And then we put a dual system on it, straight pipe into 2 1/4 tailpipes, into 3.5 inch by 18 inch tips, rolled. There she is. Came out nice and beautiful. Nice setup. We always do straight pipe on these or a super tin because it has that third catalytic converter, makes it a little bit quieter than it's supposed to. There she is. 2018 Silverado Z71. Gives it a mean sound. Sounds really good.
That's how it's supposed to sound. Don't
Exactly.
sound wicked.
Actually sounds like a real truck now.
It sound like a truck.
The look is there, now the sound is there too.
That's what it's supposed to
The lift looks really good on it. Do me a favor, when you leave, get on it real good. Enjoy it, sir. Thank you so much.
very much.
This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, GenoPure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.